Welcome back to New to Me. This is the last part 3 of the backup camera installed. As you can see, we have the cable run through here, and we have the positive and the negative hooked up. I put some tape and strips around this connector because it came loose very easily. I also installed this little cable thing, and that was so that the wind wouldn't affect it. And I had this tape on here just in case it rained a little bit, but I don't need that anymore. So what we're going to do now is well, looks like my zip ties all fell down. Hold on, I'll just go down and get them. I didn't think I would bore you with zip tying all of this stuff up, and I'm getting ready to put the lens assembly back in here, and I would assume, yep, this just turns like this, and we should be able to shove everything inside. Like so. And I put some beetle tape on the light assembly to help seal it. Let's see if I can get lucky and find the screw holes. There's one. I know there's another screw. There it is. And there's two. Okay, and I've also put some beetle tape. There's the lens. That way it'll seal really well. All right. This should be pretty good. The only thing that there is out here to do is to maybe adjust the camera a little bit, and I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll do that off camera. So let's go inside and power this up and see if it works. All right, so we're gonna get down off of this ladder. I don't like the ladders, as you can tell. And we're gonna go inside, start it up, and see if we've got video. I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed. Okay, so here we go, new to me. And we'll start it up, turn on some parking lights, and I think this is on audio video too. Oh my gosh, look at that. Could use a little bit of adjustment, but all in all, not too bad. Let's see if it turned the parking lights off. Turns off. Man, I'm telling you what, I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks for being patient with new to me, and This is my camera install, rear backup camera install, which I'm going to run off my parking lights and headlights. That way it's pretty much on all the time. Thanks again for watching, and hey, if you think about it, subscribe. That would be really nice if you did that. Anyway, I still have some more projects left, so keep tuning in. Thank you.